The world is full of problems,
Right.
and we are into a business.
Got it.
If one person has a problem, if I solve that problem, in that return I will get something, monetary or thanks. It is
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So if you want many thanks, if you want much money, so you help two people.
Yeah.
10 people, you will get 10 thanks,
Yeah.
or you will get 10 pieces of money, right? People see your actions. People see our action. People see your action, right?
Yeah.
So may I help you is not going to work. We are losing jobs. Owners are losing their. So this is the situation now.
Yeah.
In this situation, network marketing is doing good. If you take the percentage wise in traditional business and in network marketing business, percentage wise, if you take, more people are running in network marketing than in traditional.
Hey there, welcome to the Abundance Show Hub. This is a platform where you get to hear from some of the very best network marketers. Get to know them, understand their background, try to get their perspective on their journeys and what according to them contributed to their success in network or direct marketing. It will be my endeavor to get the best to put forth their honest, true to heart perspective about the industry, the developments, the future, and what gets them all excited about the work that they do. This channel is for those who are already into network marketing and for those who are considering getting into this profession. Let us do whatever it takes to grow in this wonderful profession by doing the right things with the right intent. And I'm excited at how we can build leaders who bring laurels and credit to this profession and transform many lives in the process. Cheers.
So, Samir, if you were to give a suggestion to people, what is it that is needed for success in network marketing? If you were to tell that, what would you suggest there?
Now success is relative, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So what do we mean by success actually?
Some amount of recognition, some amount of growth in the ladder in the company that they are working for, the product that they're representing, and fair amount of money for them to be financially free.
Yeah, actually, the things we have all covered actually, I think. When you are new also, you have to try to be authentic. You have to be very authentic, right? In how we can become authentic? See, there is a simple thing. The world is full of problems.
Right.
And we are into a business.
Got it.
If one person has a problem, if I solve that problem, in that return I will get something, monetary or thanks. It is.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you want many thanks, if you want much money, so you help two people.
Yeah.
10 people, you will get 10 thanks, or you will get 10 pieces of money, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
10 parts of money.
10 minutes of money. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. 10 parts of money. If you help many people, who solve their problems, you will get. So network marketing is a very good fundamental actually phenomena actually.
Yeah.
Because it is very difficult for a single person with the time limit, efforts, physical thing. It is very difficult to reach out to many people.
Right.
Correct.
Right.
So network marketing, whereby we can leverage these things.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the fundamental thing. So this we can leverage it.
Right.
Now for that we have to become authentic. People will listen to you. People will follow you. People will do whatever you say only when they have enough reasons. When they see, people see your actions. People see our action. People see your action, right?
Yeah.
So may I help you is not going to work.
Yeah. Just saying it without meaning it. Yeah.
So actually, you have to help those people.
Yeah.
And without expectation, if you help many people, we have to make our our nature. This is how
of truly helping. make the nature
truly
itself
you have to
truly
make our nature, and we should be like helping nature,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Then what it will be our habit.
habit, yeah,
Yeah, once we, this is how I am,
right,
this is how you are, right?
right, right,
People know how you are. If you try to act, people
yeah,
will catch you.
yeah. People are smart these days. They can read.
कुछ तो नया कंपनी ज्वाइन किया लगता है अभी.
Yeah, there's something.
Now Samir is talking so good, nice, trying to become so nice to
Yeah,
me.
yeah,
Talking so smartly, he's very, he's looking very handsome also.
yeah.
Maybe he's doing some business.
Yeah, I had to
When
actually compliment you. Yeah,
Samir calls, then these people try to avoid us
yeah,
because
yeah,
in so many of days, so many of years, nobody, never he called us, never he tried to meet us. Now
yeah,
all of a sudden, why is trying to meet us?
yeah,
But if my nature is like that, if
yeah,
I am as natural to my friends as I was previously,
yeah,
so the thought will not come.
yeah,
So as they were listening to me, same they will listen to me,
yeah, yeah.
right?
Makes sense.
This is how in each and every company, whatever I company did, I was successful. I am not a good salesperson. I
Yeah,
told that in the beginning
yeah,
only that I need to do the 10 units, but I only did 4.
yeah.
So as a salesperson, I'm a failure,
Right,
right?
right.
But as a networker, I am
Successful.
successful.
Yeah,
So I understood that I cannot do that thing, but I can make people do those things.
very nice.
So that thing helped me,
Very nice. So
and I tried
basically,
to be what I was when I was a child, and now also I'm trying to be same thing.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
very good. So being your authentic self and helping enough number of people
yeah.
to achieve what they want is your secret to success.
Correct, correct.
Very nice. So Samir, well, I think you covered up most of this in the course of today's talk. But if I had to ask you this question again, is that what makes Samir Poddar unique as a person, as a successful person in network marketer, vis-a-vis the also struggling millions of people who are there? Because let's face it, it's not that everyone is going to be successful. It's not that a huge percentage also will be successful. Okay, there is a very small percentage probably who will be really stupendously successful like you are. So what makes it unique as far as you are concerned from your analysis?
Uh, First of all, we have to understand. First of all, anybody understands that wherever you are, whatever you are doing, if you are thinking that you are doing business, if you are thinking that you are doing business, that is actually enough. Thinking of doing business is enough. Now, network marketing, if you are talking only about network marketing, now network marketing is a business. Business done in network style, right? Network. In every business, there is a network. You just, if you any business, if
Yeah,
you
human
think
interaction is
of,
there. Human interaction is there. Talking to people is there. Getting to know them is there, and helping them is there. So all that is there everywhere. Yeah, that's what I think,
yeah,
right?
if
Yeah,
you here we can take about Mukesh Ambani because he is
right.
highly successful.
Yeah,
So he's not doing alone. He is having a network.
yeah,
Whatever businesses he is having a network over there,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So everybody actually are doing network marketing only.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
if one understand that, this thing is also a network marketing.
yeah,
Dhirubhai Ambani is also doing network marketing.
yeah, yeah.
In his, it is started from
Different
him.
format. Yeah, it started from him in a different format.
It started from him.
Yeah,
Now I am also doing a business, and
yeah,
here I have to build a network.
yeah,
So this is a network marketing business.
yeah, yeah,
So if one understand this, once it is a business, then the person will become winner. All the time he is going to become winner because in business, if he's doing business and if there is no profit, then that
yeah.
means he's not doing the
It's not a
business.
business.
So
Yeah.
I think fundamentally one should understand that network marketing is a business. And now success, how many successful people are there, all these things are now secondary. Now,
Yeah.
in any business, any kind of business, you just take an example of Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, एक ही बाप के दो बेटे हैं.
Yeah.
So, any business, not everybody is going to become successful.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, that rule is applicable to network marketing also.
As well. Yeah.
So, that rule is applicable. So, not everybody is going to become successful in network marketing also.
True.
But if you take the percentage wise in traditional business and in network marketing business, percentage wise, if you take more people are earning in network marketing than in traditional.
Yeah.
The gap of earner and non-earner is
Huge.
actually lesser. In traditional, it is huge.
Huge. Yeah.
In
Here it is
network
less.
marketing, is it lesser?
Yeah.
So many people are earning in network marketing.
Yeah.
There you have to focus on.
Yeah.
See, not everybody is going to become successful.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
But they are successful in earning what their thoughts are, what their thinking is, what their position is, who their upline is, what their timing is. So many factors, they are successful.
Yeah.
Today the pandemic, it is a high time we have to talk about this pandemic, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We know the situation all over the world.
Yeah.
We know that the
Yeah.
situation all over the world is very difficult,
Very difficult.
challenging also,
Yeah.
and fearful also.
Yeah.
Crores of people are losing their job.
Yeah.
They are losing their job because their owner are not doing good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Owners are not doing good, so owners are also leaving their business, losing their businesses.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are losing jobs. Owners are losing their business. So this is the situation now.
Yeah.
In this situation, network marketing is doing good. 2007, 2008, when last crisis or financial crisis was there, if you go to the figure, that time it was $100 billion turnover in direct selling association. WFDSS report, you go that you just check those report, it was $100 billion that time also.
Right.
Today it is $200 billion. So this
Yeah.
is the only industry which is actually
Right.
growing.
Yeah.
In statistic wise, if you see that,
Yeah.
now if anybody is not doing good, that is
Yeah.
all because of that particular person. Correct? Now the thing is that particular person has to check himself.
Yeah.
He has to tune himself.
Yeah.
Eh? So then only it is going to work.
Yeah.
And the law is applicable to network marketing because network marketing is a business.
Business.
It is a one kind of business.
Yeah.
So all laws of business is applicable to network marketing also.
Yeah.
That person has to learn very fast. It only matters how soon he learns that, how soon he catches the trend. Now that trend, I told you that 2007-8 there was a crisis. People worked when everything was okay, but when those people are the winner who ride the wave. Ride the wave is then we have to ride the wave when the wave is going to come. Before that, we have to ride the wave.
Yeah. Yeah.
When wave is at a peak,
Yeah.
people join here,
Yeah.
and then the wave is like that only. No?
Yeah.
So ride the wave is important. Now this is a chance. This is actually wonderful. Those who think they are failure, those who think they have not done good, those people who think they are left behind. Now nature has pressed the button of reset. Reset for all.
Oh.
The reset.
All same level playing field.
Actually, we have to trust the timing.
Yeah.
Trust the timing.
Yeah.
Trust the timing of our life. This
Yeah.
is very important. Trust the timing of our life.
Yeah.
Nature has pressed the button and the timing is so right. So right. Despite of all challenges, difficulties, all those things. But now everybody is having the difficulties. Now everybody is having a challenge. Everybody has got panicked.
True.
Everybody is having problems.
Yeah.
So I am also having a problem. So now now is the right time for me.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah. Absolutely.
I think this
Absolutely.
should be a very big message for all.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love the way you said that, this is network marketing, but it's a business. And just like in business, you have employees, you have teams. You build yourself first, build your competency, learn from the leaders, adopt it, and try to upskill your teams as well. And it's a business. It's not like, don't try to think it's something else. It's business. Just like the laws of business applies for other businesses, same thing applies for this business as well. Yeah.
Correct.
That's very powerful input that you gave, Samir.
Actually, this is fundamental.
Yeah. Very nice.
And most of the time we tend to skip these things. We tend to ignore. We just overlook it, and then we are very happy with blame games.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
इसने ऐसा किया, उसने वैसा किया.
Yeah. And the other pertinent point that you brought up is that the chances of success are much higher here than any other conventional types of business, because for a low investment, for all the systems that are set by the companies, the products that they're doing, the R&D is done, the production is done, the distribution is done in terms of reaching it out to the clients, everything is done. You just need to do a small element of that business and you are running. You're upskill yourself and you're running. Makes sense.
Correct.
So, Samir, if I were to ask you this question that I think you would have covered in most of the talks today, last question to you was this: like, if someone who's joined network marketing field in the last 1 year or maybe 6 months or so what would be your direct message to them? How do they get started, and what are the things that they need to do initially, and how do they find their way?
Now, heap of information is available on the internet, right?
Yeah.
So internet is everything now. Just Google it. The Google Baba will tell you whatever you want. If you want to know how network marketing is not good, just Google it. The algorithm will give you all the things.
Yeah.
How network marketing is not, how people are cheating and all those things. But if you Google it, to become successful in network marketing in much ethical way, so just Google it and just ask question. You will get everything, but don't waste time.
Yeah. So ask the right questions. Ask the right questions. Go to the Google and ask the right questions. And as long as you're open to getting the right inputs, you'll get the right inputs. If you're looking at all the negatives, then you'll probably get stuck in the negatives.
Correct. Now, see, the world is moving more faster than ever. Not only people, but the whole universe is expanding faster than ever. If you just ask any astrologer also, astronomer also, you will understand that how the world is expanding.
Yeah.
So that is nature.
Yeah.
So now we have to cope up with this. So now if anybody wants to become successful and he is very passionate, he is very aggressive, he shouldn't try to learn these things. So here he has to apply the shortcuts. Shortcuts, just follow blindly the person who has introduced. But first you have to check that before signing up with anybody, whether who you are signing up. If he is friend, then no way that friend is going to cheat you. No way the friend is going to put you in any challenging situations, because if he is your friend. If he is not, then you just check first before joining with him, and just follow him. Because internet also, it will be waste of time to learn. The first thing is go with the plan. Fortunately, we all network marketing company have their own plan. So here also we are having that ready-made thing also. We don't need not have to think about that, right? So go according to the plan. Go according to plan. Make your own strategies. Sit along with the person who has introduced you. Make strategies. Now we are having plan. People fail because they don't work according to the plan. People work according to the plan, but they don't have the strategies. Right? So strategies also, network marketing is very, very important. I told that first button.
Yeah.
So this is the selection of tribe. The word is very important. The selection of tribe.
Right.
Tribe.
Yeah.
What people now you are going to work with.
Yeah.
That is going to matter.
Yeah.
So work blindly according to the plan. Work blindly as your upline is saying, your sponsor is saying, your friend is saying. Work blindly. Take your own strategies. Take help from your upline. And now, very important thing is you have to select your tribe. Now, tribe is something different than the prospect or a customer.
Right.
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 Prospect customers, because some customers also very headache.
Yeah.
So now you have to, no matter how good salesperson you are.
Yeah.
Now network marketing, something you have to go above, and then you have to sit down.
Right.
That only the guru can tell you.
Yeah.
And I don't know who is. For me, I was fortunate that I somehow listened to the person who has introduced me. He was not having any experience in network marketing. He was not having experience, but he was my friend's husband.
Okay.
So that was the relation.
Right.
So I listened to him.
Right.
Right. I listened to him and I followed him because he was a successful person in whole of the Asia.
Right.
So he was not a networker.
Right.
I was a great networker. I was more experienced than him. I was thinking that I am so clever and all those things. But here I checked myself. I saw that the person who has introduced me is successful in his business.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do the same business. So I should follow that person, right?
Yeah.
So following is this thing.
Yeah.
So either if you don't find this person, you have to see from above how network marketing is.
Yeah.
So basic things are select your customers also, because it is not the selling of the product.
Makes sense.
Correct?
Yeah.
Select your customer, because customers also a headache.
Yeah.
Select your person you want to make them work with you.
Yeah.
Because those people are also headache.
Yeah.
If you select wrong, if you work with a wrong person, though is or upline or downline also. So those are the reasons who can make a whole mess.
Yeah.
So the selection of your customer and tribe.
Yeah.
Tribe is a community of people you want to work.
Yeah.
So this is, I think, if anybody understands this, no?
Yeah.
Satish,
They're done.
I'm telling you, they're done with it.
Yeah.
So these are the basic things, because you can check now only.
Yeah. Yeah.
So why people are failing, because after having a big network also.
Yeah.
I'm seeing now also many people having a good network, and then the network is gone.
Yeah.
They are thinking that these are all their possessions.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is not.
Yeah. That's not the truth. That's not the reality.
That is not actually. That is not all mine.
Yeah.
So that everything is mine is not correct actually. That is the reason some people are after having a very, very good network also, they somehow they tend to not become successful.
Yeah.
God gives only those people a team, a network, a tribe, who is able to handle that.
Yeah. Well said.
So God is not full, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So He will give only those people a good amount size of team who are able to handle that team.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are the things. I've taken the help of God also now.
Very nice. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Very good input. So this concept of a tribe is very interesting. Very, very good, and it's a very pertinent point actually, because if you and the good part of this business, Samir, is that you have a choice here. Unlike
Correct.
like we say in a business, or if you join a company, even in the highest levels, even if you are the heading a department or a division or a company, you don't have much of a choice in terms of picking up your entire team. Whereas here, you have the choice. You can pick up the teams that you want, the people that you resonate with, and they resonate with you also. It's a very nice point that you brought, that you can pick up your customers.
Here also, after having a big team, you don't have a choice.
Yeah.
So the choice is in the beginning.
Beginning only, yeah. Early part.
Now, then after having a big team, you don't have a choice, but you have to change yourself. You cannot change your tribe now.
Now, yeah.
Right? In the beginning, you can select your tribe. Now, after having a big team, you shouldn't check them. You have to check yourself now.
Yourself now. Yeah.
Correct?
Well said.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Very good. Thanks, Samir. So last few minutes, I don't know, maybe a few 90 minutes or 60 minutes has flown by very fast. Thank you for your valuable inputs. And I'm sure the viewers and listeners of this show have got pearls of wisdom from you. And thanks once again for sparing your time. All the very best to you and your teams, and keep inspiring all of us.
Thank you. Thank you, Satish.
Thanks. It's my pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Great pleasure.
Thank
Thanks.
you.